Hey, you want to say hi? Santiago, say hi. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come here, Smokey. Santiago, come here. Who's your good boy? Where'd you go? Where's the doggies at? Come on. Beautiful day down here, guys. Got a little art deco all around here. And the palm trees. It's one of my favorite channels. Nomadic Fanatic. If he sees a palm tree, he's got to go nuts, which I don't blame him. Beautiful view of the entrance to the harbor. They got a bunch of restaurants and shops all around here. Tell you, it's been beautiful. It's rained yesterday, which we need some rain here in California as usual. Dana Point Harbor is right in the middle between San Clemente and Orange County. Beautiful upcoming place, a lot of building going on. This harbor is going to be rebuilt. They're going to remodel the whole thing, take out the ferry, the slips, all that stuff. That's where I get my bagels down here. There's all the boats out here in the marina. Beautiful. Sun is shining, but the clouds are looming all over and back over there. Harbor goes all the way around. It's almost like almost a mile and a half, 2 miles all the way around. It goes across there. There's a big area across there. You take a bridge, and then there's it goes all around here. And I'll bring it down this way. It's the Catalina Express. It's about 25 miles west of San Clemente off the island. The only way to get there is the Catalina Express or one of these little jobs. One of these boats here will take you over there. Beautiful day. Let's get a bagel. No, you're not getting any of that. Time to get me a bagel. This is the other end of Dana Point right here. Boy, it's getting a little windy. Got the Wind and Sea restaurant down there. This walkway goes around the whole marina, which is pretty cool. A good exercise, about 2 miles if you walk the whole path. There's the Wind and Sea right there. Pretty popular. I'm getting ready to get the Hornet squared away. Going to be jumping in it here in the next week, I think. Head back to Nueva York. Going to take the southern route, probably 8 down by the 10, and then all the way along the coast. Try to get as much on the coast as possible, and then up down towards Florida. And then probably up to 95 again. Hopefully no, I think it was, what was it, not tornadoes, but it was some kind of weather that broke my upper cab window in the motorhome. You guys remember that last time I was back east? Yeah, it was tornadoes. Got all alarmed, the phone kept alarming off, and I hit the pedal to the metal and tried to get up to New York last year before the winter broke in. And there goes a bunch of, see those guys across there? I don't know if you can see it. You got the whole colony going. They're on the sheriff's deck. It's pretty cool. if I'm talking loud enough you don't hear that music behind me. It's kind of hard to walk around anywhere anymore without some music in the background. These are all the fishing boats down here at the Dana Point deep sea fishing, whale watching. You can charter some of these boats over here too. Pretty cool. You got the couple of different restaurants down here. See if we can get through this crowd. Excuse me. Excuse me. Coming through. Excuse me. And you got Turk's restaurant right here. It's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get these dogs right here. Hopefully they don't eat Santiago. Coming through. Watch your dogs there. Say hi, Santiago. Dana Pride. That's a cool boat. Been on that a couple times. Drop their paddle boards off. Come on up the ramp. Have a little drink down there. They got the deck up there. All around that bar is a deck. It's pretty cool. Boats can dock over here too. You got a bunch of slips. Not slips, but a bunch of way. I think it's like probably fit 2 or 3. And then that big old area over there, that's usually where the Catalina Express is. That takes up people. I think it takes out of here a couple of times a day. It's on your birthday, you get a free ride. Then they rent Sea-Doos down there. So if you're ever down here at Dana Point Marina, spend the day. They got a nice couple hotels down here. It's a real nice area. And like I said, on the end of that area down there, got a place called Baby Beach. You can hang out and swim if you don't feel like heading down to the ocean with the waves. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty quiet day. Today's Sunday. That's pretty interesting. No boats around here coming in. It's not cold either. That's interesting. Very interesting. Guys, come on, Santiago. Get it, get it. All right, back here at the Hornet. I gotta head over to physical therapy. Like one of my last visits before I head back to the Big Apple. So let's go check it out and I'll show you what I gotta do. Me again, going to first day of physical therapy here in Dana Point for the old shoulder, right shoulder here. Weight training, not weight training, but training therapy so that, you know, where you lift stuff. What the heck is that called? But I've been doing a lot of other therapy on my own. But this is the where it starts getting rugged. So let's check it out. Hey guys.
Peter?
Peter for the kid.
What shoulder is it? Your
Right shoulder.
And when was your surgery?
Got the heat pad on me. Setting me up for some kind of machine over here. Ultrasound today. What does the ultrasound do?
It's a deeper form of heat using sound waves.
Oh, okay.
So the hot pack that you were just on only gets a couple millimeters beneath the skin.
Mm-hmm.
This can get all the way to bone. So we're just trying to get blood flow through the entire thickness of the tissues.
That's what the heat does?
Yeah.
See, what I do is I'm in the shower, I always turn the water up like almost to where it's hot enough to handle. And I'll just rinse the water right on my shoulder.
Yeah, that works.
That's good, right?
Yeah, especially with some of the stretches we're going to be showing you. A little better. So this should get a little warm. Some people don't feel much, especially after the hot pack. But if it happens to get too hot or achy, just let me know.
Well, there you go, Starboard Bow fans. Hopefully you like what you're watching. I'm ending the video with a little bit of routine on trying to get my shoulder back to normal. Painful, but necessary. Very necessary. I'm on my 12th week of rehab. I'm getting ready to start lifting light weights, very light weights. And I just want to end this by saying thanks again for watching, subscribing, liking, and please let me know what you think in the comments. You guys have a great day.